Hello from Slide Nerd and hello from Weaves. In the last vid, I was talking about the first way of handling on-click events in a button. That is, when a button is clicked, how you should respond to it. In this vid, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the second way, which is by using an inner class. Now if you see here, everything is the same, but instead of implementing on-click listener inside my main activity, I'm gonna actually make another class that does the same thing. Alright, so everything is same. If you see on create blah blah blah, everything is same. But here, if you see, there's another class called Viv's handler, which is inside your main activity, and that implements on click listener, and you have your on click. Right now, you guys probably wondering how you will link this with your button, because remember, when you say button dot set on click listener, that is the only way to tell the button that, hey, this is the object that should respond to you when you're clicked. Right, so you'll say the statement button.set onClick listener. Now here, what it actually needs is an object that implements the onClick listener. In our case, it's the class Viv's handler which implements the onClick listener, so I will pass an object of that. Right now, remember, I can also say Viv's handler v is new Viv's handler and pass v inside, but just for keeping things simple and efficient, I've simply made an object by saying new Viv's handler without assigning a reference. Right, so let me go to Eclipse and actually show you guys how this works. So just like I mentioned in our last vid, we left at this point. In this vid, I'm gonna actually change this by removing this implements on click listener, right? And then I'm gonna make a separate class over here by saying class Viv's handler and implements on click listener. I'm gonna put this entire code inside that class. Right, so now you cannot pass this over here because main activity does not implement on click listener. Remember, here what is expected is an object of that implements the interface on click listener. Right, so here in our case we have Viv's handler, so I can simply say something like this: Viv's handler v is new Viv's handler, right? And then I can pass v inside, it doesn't matter, or I can simply remove this entire crap over here, take this part and just simply pass the object. Right, this is also another way to do that. So let's actually go ahead and run this. It's the same thing. I know this is gonna work, even you know that very well, but still, for the sake of completion, let's just run this and see what happens. Right, so here I select this on the left side, click run at the top. Alright, so here I have my button. When I say click here, there you see it says button was clicked, so this is working. So this is our second method in which we have a separate inner class. Now let's actually go and see when you should use this. Right, now why did you make a separate class? Because what you actually wanted was there should be a single class that handles all your events. Right, so and you can keep that class inside your activity so that it is not visible to the other applications, or you can say the other Java files. Right, so for that you have several buttons within your single activity, and you want the same listener to handle all the button clicks. So in that case, you actually go ahead and make an inner class. So now with this, in the next vid, I'm gonna start talking about the third method, which is an anonymous inner class which people generally use. Alright, so that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel, comment and let me know your thoughts. Have a nice day.